You eat this snack every day, but you will in no tea believe how it's actually made.
This simple corn turns into DHES, U, inside a massive billion-scale factory. Every single second, thousands of crunchy corn twists race through this incredible factory. But how does simple corn become one of the world's favorite snacks?
The journey begins long before the seasoning. It starts with carefully selected corn, chosen for its perfect texture and consistent quality. Before production even begins, advanced optical scanners inspect thousands of kernels every second, removing anything that doesn't meet strict quality standards. Powerful air jets and cleaning systems remove dust and tiny impurities, making sure only the cleanest corn continues its journey.
Next, the hard kernels are transformed into fine corn flour, the foundation of every crunchy twist you'll see later.
The freshly milled flour travels automatically through enclosed systems, protecting it from contamination before mixing begins. Now the recipe comes together. Every ingredient is measured with incredible precision, because even tiny changes can affect the final crunch. Inside these giant mixers, thousands of kilograms of dough are blended until every particle reaches the perfect consistency. Computers constantly monitor moisture levels. Just a small difference could completely change the texture of the finished snack.
With the dough ready, it's time for the machines that create the famous twisted shape millions recognize instantly.
Hidden inside this machine, enormous pressure starts transforming ordinary dough into something completely different. The secret lies in this tiny opening. As the dough is forced through under extreme pressure, the transformation begins instantly. Within seconds, simple dough becomes long, twisted strands, the iconic shape that makes these snacks instantly recognizable. High-speed rotating blades cut every piece with remarkable precision, creating thousands of perfectly sized snacks every minute. Measurements. At this stage, the snacks are still soft and delicate, but notice the shape is already set. Every twist and curve is carefully. Now the shaped curls move forward on the conveyor, but the transformation is still incomplete. Right ahead, extreme heat is waiting to unlock their signature crunch. Uses. This is the most critical stage of the entire process. The moment these soft curls hit the hot oil, everything changes. Inside the fryer, something incredible is happening. Tiny air pockets begin forming inside each twist, creating the signature crunch that defines the snack.
As moisture escapes, the structure becomes lighter, crispier, and more delicate with every passing second.
You can actually see the transformation happening in real time. Pale dough on one side, golden crispness forming on the other. As the frying reaches its perfect point, the golden curls are lifted out instantly. This precise timing is what creates their signature light crunch.
Every curl is carefully handled as excess oil drains away, locking in the perfect crisp texture without making them heavy.
This is where the crunch is born. Tiny air pockets inside each twist create that irresistible crisp bite.
Now fully cooled and stabilized, the curls move forward to the stage that defines their final taste: seasoning. Inside this rotating drum, every curl is evenly coated with a perfectly balanced blend of spices. As the drum rotates faster, every twist of the curl captures the seasoning evenly, ensuring a bold flavor in every bite. Now the transformation is complete. What started as plain corn has become a perfectly seasoned, ready-to-eat snack. Excess seasoning is carefully removed, leaving behind only the perfect layer of flavor on each curl. Every batch passes through strict quality checks. Machines inspect color, shape, and seasoning consistency at incredible speed. Before packaging, advanced metal detectors ensure absolute safety and purity in every pack. Precise weighing systems ensure every pack contains the exact amount, with zero variation. To lock in freshness, each pack is filled, sealed, and flushed with nitrogen to preserve crunch and flavor. From here, the finished packs are prepared for distribution, ready to reach millions of homes. Once sealed, every pack enters a massive distribution hub, where thousands of units are prepared for delivery across the country. Robotic arms stack and organize cartons with perfect precision, faster and more accurate than any human ever could. From here,
Forklifts carry the finished products across vast storage zones, preparing them for nationwide distribution.
At the loading docks, automated systems ensure every truck is filled efficiently and ready for dispatch. As night falls, fleets of trucks begin their journey, carrying fresh snacks to cities, towns, and villages. From a single factory, distribution networks stretch across entire regions, delivering millions of packs every day.
Finally, the products reach retail shelves, ready to be picked up and enjoyed instantly.
From factory floor to your hands, the journey is complete.
What began as simple corn is now a globally loved crunchy snack, perfected through precision and technology. But the real secret isn't just in the factory. It's in the perfect balance of heat, pressure, and timing that makes every bite unforgettable. Every single curl you see has gone through an incredible journey of precision and timing. The signature crunch comes from thousands of tiny air pockets locked inside every twist.
And in this factory, that process never stops. Millions of curls are produced every single day.
From raw corn to finished snack, every stage is perfectly connected. Every single curl is inspected with precision. Only perfectly twisted, evenly crisp snacks make it through this stage. Now comes the final transformation, where every curl is sealed into its final form, ready for distribution. To lock in freshness, each pack is flushed with nitrogen, protecting the crunch from the moment it's sealed. Robotic systems then stack thousands of cartons with perfect precision for storage and transport.
From here, forklifts carry the finished products across the vast warehouse network.
At the loading docks, trucks are filled and prepared for nationwide delivery.
Even at night, the supply chain never stops moving.
From one factory, distribution expands across entire regions every single day.
Finally, the product reaches store shelves, ready for millions of consumers. And now it's ready to be taken home.
The moment of truth begins the instant the pack opens.